Hey guys, I'm making this quick video on how you can play the Goat Simulator 3 split screen and also multiplayer. So now when you're gonna have a split screen and you're gonna have two controllers, so you have to have connected and then you would like press and hold the X to join. But for some people that I've read here that it didn't work, like a person wrote here that I hold X but it does not join. Hold X appears but nothing happens when you hold X with either controller, and yes, they are both synced with the console. So the issue that is like recurring right now with the Goat Simulator 3, maybe they will fix it, is that even when you can join, it's not going to allow you to join. So what you can do, this is something that someone wrote here, that I'll have like uninstalling and reinstalling the game. So try to unassign and reassign each controller and reassign the extra controllers while in the game. So this has worked sometimes as well. So you have to actually like try it out, and you have to try various things with the uninstalling and installing, so the multiplayer, the split screen can work. So have a great day and goodbye.